whole of the blood clot screen. You take up with your blood clot nose.
You see a little twist up face one. Your idea go come in. You see that mouth there? One year go want to use it and can't use it.
The government says the official death toll from Hurricane Melissa has increased to 32.
Yeah, my people are going. Make sure son of their golden and babies, and I say, yeah, man, my people. So, one and two social media influencer bring down Andrewless now. I know look good for him side of hearted in baby.
Good morning, God. Thank you for waking me up this morning, and thank you for waking up if you are them. You know, that's a code. God, but before me go, how you shine the sun in my eyes, so?
No, me just see one news on them say Bill Gates and $100 million go give Andrew unless he help with hurricane victim in Jamaica. What is wrong with your Bill Gates? You could jump on one of your private jet them and go down a yard, go sit with the poor people get the money. I don't trust Andrew unless one bit.
Me not trust your dog. Brother, you come from blood clot CNN nose big no bomber clot. The whole of the blood clot screen. You take up with your blood clot nose like one bomber clot umbrella.
That man go and pocket all of that money. Yo, it is easier. Yo, right now the half of Jamaica, yo, the whole western Jamaica is homeless, you know. So yo, if you not have something to give poor people of Jamaica, you could have jumped on one of your private jet, go down, they go buy out one hardware, sit to the people and get what them need to get or whatsoever. But you can't trust Andrew unless with bomber clot money. You don't give puss butter for care. What is right? Yo, I don't know if this news is true or not, but I'm saying if you not have something to give poor people a yard. Yo, it is serious, so this thing is even more serious than I think it was. The whole of western Jamaica is homeless. Now people are serious thing bad man. If you not have something to give people in Jamaica, wouldn't advise nobody to give Andrews. That man a puss. That man have been taken from poor people all his blood clot life. I don't think he reach when there. I don't know if Andrews reach when there. Poor people him take from and reach when bomber clot there. So yeah, Bill Gates, if you have something to give to the poor people of Jamaica, it is not that hard for you just jump on one of your private jet, fly go down a yard, go buy out one hardware. Buy out all the bomber clot hardware them, because we know you can buy them. You not take nobody give Andrews. You don't have faith in Andrews. I do not have no faith in him. So yo, for not sitting to give poor people in my yard, man. You know, jump on one of your private jet, go down there, go buy out one hardware, sit to say poor people and get the money. You can't trust Andrews. Yo, everybody I try cash out off of this hurricane. As far as I'm seeing, the whole of the politicians, them, every member of parliament is trying to cash out off of this bomber clot hurricane.
Yeah, well, if people help out the people in Jamaica after hurricane destroy their homes, you know. I think someone them not to hear I seen all along, man.
We have mackerel also. Yeah.
Hold it. Close this? Yeah, close. Carry this around. Yeah.
You know now?
Yo.
Everything.
People, you see me I tell you about the local cockroach government on the have. And just sell out Jamaica and sell out the people them. And you see them a sabotage the people them in the People's National Party. You see the disrespect. Oh no, come on, give the people them voucher. Figure other things. No money now going in the opposition leader them and no money a voucher them a get. When the whole of them a plan for thief the money where them get it. Listen now, you know why them not want the people them clear the road. Cause Andrew want to want to make some big bill. Some tall bill and tell us that the road costs $20-50 million for clear the road. Them don't want nobody volunteer and clear the road because them want the money for putting in them pocket. When them a liar and thief. When you watch the press conference and they could drunk with them and go and let them take hey, you see one in a nationwide, look a big stinking boy in a nationwide. Me don't want to tell us that per market you know drunk right now. When you come look for no wicked dirty premise I will sell out the country. I sell all the people and people them now sell them land to a drunk rock.
Me and you can come together and help one person build back them house. Even a mother with them pitney, bro.
Yeah.
So, me go find a mother with even 3-4 pitney with homeless, bro.
Yeah.
Buy some zinc, some sheet, some you know what, 2 before and all of them little thing there. And build up our house, you see it, so. Make we just use that donation here when we get, because I don't really want to collect no more money and deal with the food.
Swiftly, take your batty man blood clot self come off the internet. What is wrong with your boy up on the internet to play a match with this half naked boy?
Hello.
This boy just like a male prostitute. Well, hey boy Swiftly, you see what you do the boy up on the internet stripping for you and you
Hello.
you dey put on mask and I turn around and I joke. So now when the man starts showing you rear, you dey run.
Boy, sister, you can't come back after this, brother.
Run, man, you already know what you was doing. That's exactly what you want. What is wrong with the boy? Sister is a big bomber clot waste man. Out there, you come on the internet, come blood clot, play striptease with boys.
The government says the official death toll from Hurricane Melissa has increased to 32.
I tell you right now, when I go up later, I post it with the people. I tell you, honestly, I just want to know looking at. I just want to know looking at people, not looking at me, and the clothing, you know, see there, people in mattress they wet up, clothes wet up, all the house them blow down, man. No house no there, man. Nothing no there at all, man. See them, man. No house no there, my people, man. People don't get no water from the storm blow, no water. You look for food and then buy and put in their house, the water it done. Nothing no there. People in the literally are dead for thirst, people. See the whole of the drum they empty. All the rainwater they fall in the drum they use it for because you know them have to be. See they look in the drum. A dirty water, people. We can't have somebody in a country live so. And the politician they reach out. How Mark Golden if you fly one copter come down here and then make sure so every community come down and give some people something, brother. Brother, you come and fix the thing, man. You can't make the thing look so. So me are showing you people hungry down here. People hungry, like literally hungry. In the next 2 days, I know dead people down here. So, I prefer take up some dead people and carry some food and give people them. Brother, when you come make people them get food for eat and get water for drink and then something. They get some chop all in. People don't chop all in, want to look. I want 1 and 2 hours down here, everybody have to pack up and sleep. When you come, you can't make it thing look better, man. Date and can't be me, I beg you. If you come a be sans, me left all, come give them some food to eat. You can't sit down. Brother, you know some of the rate, I'm a loser for you for now. Because when I fly over the place in the cup, I just come here. Me drive from St. Thomas come down here from me reach on you can't reach on you too. The time can me come here, call you out.
Rosalie, you plan to report nobody?
Come and know what kind of idiot the question blood clot that you ask me. Without if you enter the blood clot ranks, I'm going to pay Toria. So they will not get none tonight. I better go play with my clit. Rosalie mean to all herself, go buy X1 dent up car. And I go talk about say the dent come with it. Just thinking one year. I don't know them not go be here, you know. You can't diss me.
Don't know a joke,
The dent come with it. Let me go see. You look for your X1 with it because it come with it. Move your blood clot, because I know me alone want to go Google it. You want to see it? I wish X1. Wish ear, because she said come with the dent. You must hear the blood clot. Here by now, drunk round tell me, because we have to look for the dent. My boss how we work. Come, she said, tell me I wish it 20 with the dimple. 2020 X1. I got not even 10 grand for one, you know. What the f? I said cheap. Damn, 9 grand. And this have 79,000 miles. Damn. Good mileage too. Damn. 2020 wish blood clot tree. Let me look funny.
From the angle, I look Christmas, I'm not going to
Images, we look for image. Where then there? Where then there? Just thinking one year. I don't know them not go be here, you know.
See somehow, no? But if on the internet, I disrespect and wellness.
If them not sell them land to no drunk rock and just sell out Jamaica and sell out the people them.
I style up the man. Call the man P word and homophobic rhetoric and
That money, none out of you, dog. I'm a serious party. Me not tell you no blood clot lie, man. Me not trust you, dog. Brother, you come from blood clot CNN nose big no bomber clot. You whole of the blood clot screen. You take up with your blood clot nose like one bomber clot umbrella, dog. You in a blood clot COVID. Don't cuss again. Don't cuss again, dog. And we beg you, please, bro. And from the bottom of we heart. I mean, a blood clot grown, you killing me. I tell you, dog. You can't thief all away your teeth already, me G.
I tell the man all about him mother. When I should have banned in some countries like China, Russia, North Korea, El Salvador, and them country there, Cuba. You should have born in them country there. You should have born in some country when you say them things, they are disrespecting leaders them. Somebody just come pick one up and nobody no see one again. But when you get with it now, when you abuse freedom of speech because you live in a democratic society and we have a constitution where the British them draft up. And that same constitution they protect uno, make uno can do them things here and disrespect people for no reason at all. Zane, if you believe say Andrew Wellness now do a good job, point out when now do good. But you gone to the level where you feel like say you can dep on internet and tell the man about him mother and call the man a kind of name. Disrespect the man and somehow we call all the man thief and them thing now. You never see the man a thief for $1 out of the government purse. You don't have no evidence after man being a thief, you know. See? When you get up every day, when you call the man thief, when you call the man corruption, when you call the man criminal. And when you can do it because guess what? Somehow you have some low lives where him can't sue because you don't have nothing for him to sue for. So when you get away with that, so when you have freedom of speech and when you have that something there. But people no bother to sue no, because when you broke like dog and hungry. When you dep on the internet, I do them things you forget a dinner money, forget a little funds, forget some tops and roads, forget a lion. So when you feel like say when you can disrespect the Prime Minister. Zane? Yeah man. Forget what I try get. Me see a boy this morning on the internet and the man that disrespect Andrew Wellness the most way. And him have him audience them and the girl them pan it about how Andrew Wellness already thief the money will come. Him not share up none of the people them. When you say all them things there no brethren. Somebody if you just come knock on the door and just lock up on a client. Because if you are gonna make people think say, remember say I riled up people, you know, when I instigate violence, you know. Because if we're not going to say the money come and Andrew thief the money, then we're not going to make people with desperate and in needs right now. We're not going to make them people that think they are true and start riot. And then, who don't know either they are foreign or in a place where nobody can come much pound there or not come much pound there. Who know safe and sound and we were there Jamaica now we have to deal with civil unrest. Somehow of them for fine when you say these things and lock up. Laws must be passed. So when you go say Andrew Wellness thief the money will come. And now give the people them none. You have to go to jail. Me see a boy, a vlogger boy this morning on TikTok and the boy, look a nasty boy we say my artist. See? I did a try to be artist. The boy I say, no soldier no out there help the people them. And the people them on the platform I jump and I say, yeah, true. Not one soldier. I have to post, I have to go on this JDF page and take off all of the videos them with the soldier, them a cut down trees and a clear road and all manner of things and post with the clip with them on my Twitter page. For sure people are no wicked. Una try instigate violence in the country and try rile up the people them and say Andrew Wellness created the hurricane him and the US because him want to turn St. Elizabeth into a city. So we have a little slogan that go around about don't sell your land. Don't sell your land is a good slogan, but when I attach to it, when I try attach to it, I say, America and Andrew Wellness mash up down a St. Elizabeth, so don't sell on no land. When I have some demon brethren, when I play upon the people them emotion. Me say all a woman, you know, the woman come out and cuss the government already, that cuss she not get no help. Her house want clean out. Ladies a hurricane, you know, just start clean out, you lucky your house standing. Some people house gone, nobody can find them. There are people right now who call them loved ones and can't find them. Me see man now, PMP man come out now and say, him want down at Westmoreland to be cleared disaster zone. The Prime Minister done declare the whole country a disaster zone. Everywhere you turn, brethren, the man them just come like them just half of the man, so like them just want, them just try everything to remove the man here, brethren. Remember the other day the boy Rattigan them, you know, and the little traitor them over Rattigan page, you know. I cuss Nigel Clark, I say, oh, the man gonna take out insurance and a waste of money and one bag of sitting where them a chat say. Oh, the man a fool and the man a this and The man ninkum poor all kind of sitting. Them a call the man all manner of names. I see the cat band there. I hit trigger now, can even get a little start to even start clean up. 25 billion is a drop in the bucket, but a 25 billion we uno have. I remember say uno did that cost Nigel Clark. And how Nigel Clark if you buy that band there. Andrew Wilness have to approve that. Andrew Wilness have to sign off on that because I'm my prime minister. I hear people say a thief, the man about thief that money there. So Andrew Wilness invest in our insurance for better, for in case of emergency, in case of disaster. And then him now I got turn around and thief. Yo, Judge of God, me say, I wish brethren you don't deliver all of China, brethren. Because you know, evil and wicked and remember me telling them, no one don't like me. And me worst despise you know. You see a little twist up face one? A little nasty twist up face one when I no shame, when I have nothing about him. Your idea go come, you know. You see that mouth there? One year go want to use it and can't use it. Remember me tell you that you better use the recite where you have for good here.
You know, don't know them baby, but I read so far. Really appreciate it in them baby, as you man say. Yeah man, me a soon in our next up. What is it?